Hello everybody, this is Doug from Darkwater North. We're going to take a quick look at the Spyderco Resilience. It is a large folding pocket knife, and you can see there the Spyderco emblem, the iconic hole in the knife for opening, and the name and the steel, the 8CR13 mauve. The blade has a little jimping there, which with the ergonomic handle fits just perfect. Yeah, gives a great grip. So this is the handle is G10, slightly textured, as you can see. It's an awesome knife. It has a 4.5-inch blade and a 5.5-inch handle. The blade actually sinks below here, as you can see, and then its overall length is 9.5 inches, so it's a rather large knife. We'll do some size comparisons here. We got the Spyderco, which is a normal size pocket knife that you could use easy as an EDC, and then the SOG Flare. You can see the size of that. Let's see here. And there you go. It is a large knife. Like 9.5 inches is big for a pocket knife, right? So, but if that's what you want, you have it available in the Spyderco Resilience. These other ones aside, and what we're looking at here, like I said, is a stainless steel blade with a flat grind. Drops down here. It's quite an ergonomic fit. Kind of resembles the bird, which is a smaller knife. Has a some jimping on the LinerLock here, which makes it easier to grip, and they cut out a little groove in the handle here so you can have access to the jimping and the thumb hole there. So that's nice. These are probably T6s. I'm not exactly sure, but that's what they are probably. It has a adjustable pocket clip, which is nice. You can put it on for tip up or tip down, left or right hand carry, whatever you prefer. If you do switch it to the left, the handle isn't the same by the LinerLock, so it will be a little more difficult to deploy the knife or to unlock the LinerLock, of course. So once it's in place, you'd be pulling instead of pushing, of course. Anyway, there you have it. It's the Spyderco Resilience. I think it weighs about 4 ounces. All of the specs will be in the description. With the channel right now, I do have a giveaway going on, so please check that out and subscribe if you're not already subscribed. We'll do the paper cut test here. I haven't touched this. Came out of the box like this. It's really sharp, and there has been nothing done to this blade whatsoever. You know, so there you have it. Sharp out of the box from Spyderco. It's obviously made with a little less expensive steel, so you can afford to buy it. Some Spyderco knives are quite expensive. We have some steel liners with pin construction. You can take a look inside and see that it's been skeletonized, so to make it a little lighter. And for such a big knife, it isn't all that heavy. But it is a little difficult to reach into your pocket when this is in there, because it is a big knife, like I was saying. Never had any problem with other pocket knives, but this one, being the size it is a little bit tight on the hand here, and this digs into your hand. But if I suppose you put it in with the tip up carry and your pocket clip up here, you could easily slide your hand in because it'd be on an angle, so you wouldn't have a problem. That'd probably be the better configuration, right? You also have this lanyard hole that's lined, and you can see that that would easily fit some paracord through there. And the fit and finish is nice. Like, I never did anything to this blade at all, and you can see the blade centered there perfectly. It's really nice. I like it. It was a gift, and I was happy to get it. And I've been using it since Christmas. So take a good look at it there. It's not only a nice looking knife, it's, you know, it's fairly formidable. You may not be able to carry it where you are, or check those out. Check out the laws in your neighborhood, wherever you might be. And anyway, there you have it. The Spyderco Resilience. Nice knife, very affordable and well made, and sharp as a razor out of the box. So the size comparisons and the sharpness. So I just want to say thank you for tuning in. Thank you for watching this video. Please like it, hit the thumbs up to like it, and subscribe. Hit the subscribe button down here in the corner. I would much appreciate that. So thank you and have a great day. Oh, here is a quick look at another knife. I will be doing a review on this knife, Big Bowie. So that's a hunt shield knife. So I'll be doing a video on that in the future, and also a video on this Spyderco Efficient. So there you have it, a little preview. So thanks for your time and have a great day. This is Doug from Darkwater North saying have a great day.